Hey everybody, I am Julie and I am back with day 24 of 28 days of daily Red Heart free patterns for February. So, in this series, I am showing you all kinds of free patterns that you can get from Yarnspirations who work with Red Heart yarns to make some great patterns. So I'm going to start today with fur babies. We're going to learn all about stuff you can make for your furry friends. So this is a Red Heart crochet kitty couch, and I have always thought these were absolutely adorable. So I'm just going to open this up. Okay, this says keep kitty cozy on this crochet couch from Red Heart Super Saver. It looks like it's a skill level of easy. And I love everything about it. I love how this like ruffle, the dust ruffle around the bottom matches the miniature little granny square blanket. It's just really cute. I mean, it really looks just like a regular couch. It's super cute. Look at this cat on his couch. He's just really relaxing. Very, very cute. Love this very much. Yeah, so if you have a little kitty cat or a big kitty cat, you might want to give this pattern a try. It is listed, like I said, as an easy level pattern. All right, let's take a look at our next pattern for our fur babies. The next one is another cat pattern, though I'm thinking you could use all of these for small dogs. You know, the ones that you're using for cats. There's some pretty big cats out there and some pretty small dogs, so sometimes they can be interchangeable. So this is the Red Heart Holiday Cat Collar, and I'm thinking with a couple color tweaks you could make this for any time of year. Include the feline member of your family when planning holiday wear. That just makes me laugh. Look at that cat. He's looking all spiff. He's ready for Christmas dinner. He wants his victuals. And then he's going to go check his stocking. Very cute. All right, our next pattern for the fur babies is the colorful Crochet Pet Bed. And again, what I was saying kind of holds true with this one. See, that's a very small dog you could put on this bed, but it would also be fine for a cat too. So this free colorful crochet pet bed uses Ogo yarn. Okay, so the Red Heart Ogo yarn is what they use to make all of these beautiful colors. This is listed as an intermediate level crochet pattern. So you might want to keep that in mind before making it. It also looks like it's got some pom-poms on it. So like I've said in the past, pom-pom makers are probably not required, but would make your life a lot easier. Okay, we're going to move on to our next pattern. I believe it's our last pattern for our little furry friends, and this is a Doggy Snuggle Up sweater. So this is the Snuggle Up sweater using Red Heart Super Saver yarn. I really love this little old lady looking sweater. It's got like the very fancy buttons and the nice big collar, and it's got the little picot edges. I don't know, just think this is really, really cute. I've never had a dog that needed clothes before, so I'm always a little intrigued by them. This is listed as an easy level crochet pattern. All right, so that is going to do it for day 24 of the Daily Red Heart Pattern Series. This was fur babies. If you're enjoying these and you'd like to try out some of these patterns, feel free to click in the description box below. There's a link that's going to take you right to my Pinterest board, and just go ahead and choose the day that you're interested in. Like today is day 24. So if you were interested in this, you'd click on day 24 and then you'd come down here and click on this, and it's going to take you right to that pattern. It couldn't be easier.